Okay, now let us see one basic example, okay? Previously, we have said that in our previous session, we have said that 5 alphabets can be used interchangeably, okay? This ha and ha, both of them are ha, ha. This one is haleta ha, whereas this one is hameru ha. But both of them are what? Ha, ha. So we have said that they can be used interchangeably. The other one is sa. Both of them are sa, sa. They can be used interchangeably. The third one is sa. This one is also sa, this one is also sa. They can be used interchangeably. And the fourth one is a. This one is also a, this one is also a. Okay, they can be used interchangeably. And the last one is ha. Both of them are ha, ha. So they can be used interchangeably. We have said that we can use them interchangeably. But let us see one example, okay? This one is ha. Under each basic alphabet, there are 6 subgroups, okay? We have said that. Under ha, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 subgroups, okay? Under ha, under each of them, under each basic alphabet, there are 6 subgroups, okay? We have seen that. Okay, let us see one example, okay? In Amharic language, when we write, for example, here we can say that the name athlete, okay? Athlete Haile Gebrselassie. As you know, Haile Gebrselassie is he's a known athlete from Ethiopia, okay? He was an athlete and he was a 10,000 meter runner, and after that he became a marathon runner, and he has what? Many records. And for instance, let us see Haile Gebrselassie, okay? Haile Gebrselassie. Let us see his name on how it is written in Amharic language, okay? Here it says Haile Gebrselassie, also Haile Gebrselassie, Haile Gebrselassie, Haile Gebrselassie. There are what? 5 options to write the name Haile Gebrselassie based on the alphabets we have said, okay? Here, this one is what? Ha. Which ha? We have said that there are 5 basic alphabets that can be used interchangeably. Here, this one is ha. This one is what? Ha. This one is also ha. Ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. Okay? This one is also ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. So, ha, hu, he, ha. This one is what? Ha. So, in order to write the name Haile, we can use this alphabet ha, okay? So, here it is ha. Ha. This one is ye, subgroup of ye. Ye, you, ye, ya, ye. Okay, this one is ye. Whereas this one is subgroup of la, lu, li, la, le. Okay, le. When we read it, Haile, Haile. His father name, this one is basic alphabet G. This one is subgroup of alphabet ba, bu, bi, ba, be, b. Okay, b. Whereas this one is basic alphabet ra. This one is subgroup of alphabet sa, su, si, sa, se, s. Okay. This one is subgroup of alphabet la, lu, li, la. Okay. Whereas this one is subgroup of alphabet sa, su, si, sa, se. Okay, se. When we read it, Gebrselassie. So, his full name, Haile Gebrselassie. So, the name athlete, Haile Gebrselassie, can be written in Amharic language as like this. Okay, Haile Gebrselassie. So, when we say ha, one option is this ha. Okay, we use this ha. The other option is this one is also ha. Okay, ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. So, this one is ha. We can use this ha also to write the name Haile, okay? Haile Gebrselassie, ha. The other option is, this one is also what? Ha. So we can use this ha. Haile Gebrselassie. The other option is, this one is also ha. This one is basic alphabet ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. Ha, hu, he, ha. This one is also ha, okay? So we can use Haile. In order to write the name Haile, we can use this ha, okay? Haile. The other option is this also ha. Ha, hu, he, ha, he, ho. This one is also ha. So, we can also use this ha. So, what we have seen is that there are 5 options to write the name Haile Gebrselassie. Ha. Okay, there are 5 options ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Technically, you are right, okay? If you write with this one, all of them are correct, okay? Technically, you are right. But in Amharic language, even if it is not written or there are no codified laws that says use this ha to write Haile, or use this ha to write the name Haile, or use this ha to write the name Haile. There is no such rule. But even if it is not codified or if it is not written, as a commonly, it is most of the time used this ha, okay? In order to write highly, most of the time, this ha is used, okay? This ha. This ha is hu, he, ha. This ha is commonly used to write the name highly. This ha is also used, this one is also, technically 5 of them are correct, but even if there are no written law, or if it is not codified that says use this alphabet to write this or to write that, there is no such rule. But as commonly or in common, when you practice Amharic language, you'll know it, okay? So most of the time, even the people who are speaking Amharic and who knows Amharic language may be confused, okay? Which alphabet can I use to write that specific word or sentence? They will be confused, okay? So it's not a problem. As a beginner, just not your problem, okay? Even advanced learners or advanced or someone who knows Amharic may be confused, okay? How to use the alphabet, which alphabet can you use? Since technically you are right, okay? So when you practice the language and when you become perfect, you in practice, you will know it, okay? So it is advisable to use this ha in order to write the name highly, okay? Ha. But this one is also right. 5 of them are correct, okay? But even if there is no written law which says use this alphabet to write something, but when you practice it as a common, okay? When you become an expert in the language, okay, you will know it. So most of the time the name highly is written using this ha, okay? This ha, highly, this ha. But the other 4 ha's are also correct. Technically, it's right. This one is also ha. So when you read it, you say it says highly. This also says highly. This one also says highly. This also says highly. Okay? So technically 5 of them are correct. But most of the time it is used to write this alphabet, this ha, okay? The other best example is this one, okay? Another example is when you say Mr., okay? Mr. In order to say Mr. in Amharic language, you will say what? Ato. Ato means Mr. Okay? Mr. X. In order to say Mr. X in Amharic language, you will say Ato. Ato X. So Mr. Ababa in order to say Mr. John. In order to say like that in Amharic language, Mr. means Ato. So Ato Ababa or Ato John, Ato Ephraim, Ato Thomas, Mr. Thomas. So Ato means Mr. So in Amharic language, Ato is written using this A, okay? But technically, you can use what? This A. Ato. This one is also A. Both of them can be used interchangeably, okay? Also, there is what? This is A, U, E, A. This one is also A. So, A-to. This one is also correct, okay? In order to write A-to. The other option is A, U, E, A. This one is also A, okay? A-to. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ways to write A-to, okay? Or Mr. in Amharic language. But the one which is correct is this one. All of them are correct technically, okay? They say A-to, you are correct. But most of the time, it is what? It is known and it is practiced in the language to use this A in order to write A-to, okay? A-to. This one is right, okay? But 4 of them are, technically, they are correct. If you write with like this, A-to, 4 of them are correct. You are right, okay? But most of the time, when you practice the language, when you become perfect in it, you will use this A, okay? It is, as I said, even if there is no written law which says use this alphabet to write this, there is no such thing. But in practice, or when you practice it, the language, when you become perfect in it, okay, you will know that. So in order to say Ato, it is better to use this A, okay? But all of them are correct, but it is better to use this A. So what I wanted to show is that these 5 alphabets can be used interchangeably, but even if there is no rule which says, or there is no written law which says use this alphabet for this case, but in common practice, you know it, okay? When you practice the language, you'll know that. So the main point I want to raise is that you need to differentiate, or you need to know that there is what? common law, even if it is not written, it says use this alphabet. It's not written, okay? So, and you know that through practicing, okay? Through knowing that.